BCT understands the challenges facing today's foundries. Fewer skilled technicians and increased demands for higher productivity and uptime. Understanding and staying ahead of your needs is our job. BCT has clearly taken on the lead position in shot blast innovation. Hundreds of foundries have replaced old, worn-out ideas and equipment and have partnered with BCT to improve their operation. We are proud of the incredible group of foundry customers that we call partners. The equipment is supported by the largest design team in North America, allowing us to provide custom solutions that meet your specific needs. We design components to last longer, to be easier to replace, while increasing productivity. BCT systems include well-thought access platforms, usually with stairway access, to provide the safest possible access to critical areas. Located in the historic Allis-Chalmers manufacturing plant in West Allis, Wisconsin, the 150,000 square foot renovated BCT facility combines an amazing manufacturing history with the space and capacity to design, build, and fully test even the largest blast systems. The facility was originally built to support the manufacture of large turbine systems, including those built for Niagara Falls and Hoover Dam. The Nikola Tesla even worked in our facility from 1919 to 1922, perfecting his bladeless turbine design. Now, it's BCT's turn to make history. We've invested over $8 million in modern state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment, giving us the advantage to manufacture your blast system in-house. We operate multiple plate cutting systems, including laser, water jet, and plasma tables, along with CNC bending and sawing equipment. We've invested in equipment that complements our world team, with multiple cobot weld systems that provide the perfect weld every time. Our CNC machining equipment provides us the ability to control quality and react quickly to our customers' needs. When it comes to tumble blast systems, BCT is the new industry workhorse, replacing outdated machines to improve productivity and uptime. With improved machine access and design, BCT rewrote the book on how tumble blast machines should be designed. BCT tumble drums range in size from 7 cubic foot to 45 cubic foot. Our blast drums feature a unique alternating angle design that changes the angle of the drum during the blast cycle, improving the way parts mix, which reduces cleaning times. BCT also offers several continuous blast systems, including our continuous tumble blast system, available in several sizes to match your production needs. This vibratory pre-blast gate and sprue cleaning system removes 95 to 100% of the sand from castings prior to sorting or from gate and sprue prior to remelt. The system provides a substantial improvement in air quality at casting, sorting, or charge yard and eliminates most of the sand going into your melting furnace. Our exclusive retractable vestibule design provides safe, non-confined space access to the blast cabinet for PMs and maintenance. It's our job to think ahead and provide solutions. We design and build heavy-duty unload conveyors and innovative reclaim conveyors that include waste handling features to improve and organize the waste streams. Blast feeding and casting process conveyors are available as part of our blast systems. This compact 4-wheel wire mesh blast utilizes an exclusive swing-out cabinet door design for fast, safe access to the main blast chamber. BCT engineers think far beyond cleaning parts and understand the real challenges of working in confined spaces. The best way to deal with confined space is to eliminate it. Access to critical areas of the blast for proper PMs and safe maintenance work is a standard with any BCT blast system. Seals that slide out without the use of tools and extreme duty work doors that actually seal are just a few of our premium features. Our wire mesh systems are available in 4, 8, 16, and even this 24-wheel monster. This third unit was designed and built for Lodge Manufacturing, the largest wire mesh systems in the world. Fully assembled and pre-wired in our facility, BCT is one of the few companies to offer complete design, build, factory test, and installation services all in the USA. BCT spinner hangers offer custom solutions to meet your specific needs. Our innovative traveling seal design provides a full zero-maintenance mechanical seal. BCT provides a full range of spinner hangers, from this compact unit to this behemoth, capable of cleaning a 28-foot diameter, 60,000-pound casting. This system is one of the largest foundry spinners in North America. Not to be outdone, this massive system designed and installed for GIW is capable of cleaning a 24-foot tall and 10-foot wide 30-ton casting. The system utilizes 12 twist-lock E-wheels mounted on an oscillating wall panel to provide maximum cleaning angles. We are proud to be partnered with SpaceX. This spinner blast system cleans castings used on the Falcon 9 rockets and is packed with features only BCT provides. To Mars or bust, Godspeed, SpaceX. BCT table blasts and car tables have the same extreme duty design practices found on all of our equipment. 8-foot, 10-foot, and 12-foot tables in both swing table or stationary table designs are available with safe ergonomic solutions, like this powered door system, eliminating the operator and safety concerns, as well as large car table systems, like this that was designed to handle steel castings up to 75 tons, and this 14-foot car table cleaning castings for the new Columbia-class submarine. BCT offers cost-effective blast machines, including rubber belt tumble blasts, tables, and spinner hangers, to meet those applications that may not require our traditional extreme duty system. Upgrading your existing equipment can be a viable option, and BCT has the experience and the technical support team to get it done right. We've upgraded hundreds of other OEMs' machines with improvements that provide a positive impact to your operation. Magnetic separators, improved work, heavy-duty elevators and load doors, lining packages, control systems, and of course our twist-lock E-wheels. Our technical team will review your machine and operations and provide recommendations for increased productivity and lower operating costs. Our magnetic separators go well beyond traditional industry technology to automatically adjust to the amount of sand and shot loading to provide peak efficiency, especially when paired with our twist-lock E-wheel technology. Our twist-lock E-wheel is the most advanced blast wheel available. Extreme duty, precision fit components, and a well-thought-out design that is very easy to maintain. Twist-lock components are investment cast in tool steel, providing near machine-like tolerance. Tough tool steel metallurgy makes the twist-lock the most dependable wheel available. BCT has upgraded hundreds of machines with our twist-lock E-wheels, and customers immediately see the value with improved component life and cleaning performances. BCT, we are all in, continuing to develop innovative products, supported with over $5 million of spare parts inventory, a world-class facility, the largest engineering and technical service team in the industry, and the commitment to make a difference with our customers. Only one can be called leader: BCT.